The Travis Scott X Fragment X Air Jordan 1, 2025, is set to release on September 20th, marking the third major collaboration between Travis Scott, Fragment Designs' Hiroshi Fujiwara, and Jordan Brand. Following the hype of their 2021 pairs that reshaped sneaker culture with reverse swooshes, Cactus Jack touches, and Fragment's signature royal blue, this upcoming drop takes a vintage-inspired path. The sneaker showcases aged sail and muslin tones, contrasted by military blue highlights on the swoosh, heel tab, lining, and outsole. Black hits on the tongue, laces, and rear logo add a bold finish. This trio has consistently delivered some of the most in-demand sneakers, and the upcoming edition continues blending heritage influence with modern streetwear energy. With massive demand already building, the release reflects the evolution of one of sneaker culture's most iconic and powerful partnerships.